冬の雨が3日降れば、猫の顔が三尺に伸びる。冬の雨が3日降れば、If winter rain falls for 3 days, 猫の顔が三尺に伸びる。A cat's face stretches to 90 centimeters. Shaku is one of the units of length that was used in Japan before the adaptation of the metric system. Since one shaku is approximately 30.3 centimeters, sanjaku is about 90.9 centimeters. This phrase humorously suggests that when it rains for 3 days in winter, the temperature rises, which is a relief for cats that dislike the cold. The idea is that cats are so happy about the warmer weather that their faces figuratively stretch or puff up in delight. While it's not meant to be taken literally, the saying uses this amusing image to convey a connection between winter rain and cat's comfort. 冬の雨が3日降れば、猫の顔が三尺に伸びる。